Hello, students. How are you all? I hope everyone is fine and doing well. So, till your periodic assessment 1, we have completed 2 chapters. So, today we are going to start with a new chapter, that is nouns. And I hope you all know what is a noun, since you have done noun since class 3 itself. Class 1 itself. 1, 2, 3, you have done nouns. So in class 4 also we are going to do. Now let's go through the chapter, that is noun. Words that name people, places, animals and things are called nouns. In short, all naming words are called nouns. We all know that. For example, Sheena, park, elephant, newspaper. Then we are going to do today some kinds of noun. Not all the kinds, few. First one is common noun. Common nouns are the names given in general to people, places, animals and things. For example, boy, office, lion, soap. So it's a common name given to a particular group. We don't specify it, but we are giving a common name. Then proper nouns are the names given to particular people, places, animals and things. They always begin with a capital letter, like Gaurav, Mumbai, Bhagavad Gita, Sunday. So proper names are particular names, given, assigned to a particular person or people or place. Common name is given to a group. Then proper noun is given to only one place, one person, one animal or one thing. Then singular noun. Singular nouns refer to one person, place, animal or thing. When we talk about more than one of anything, we use a plural noun, like boy become boys, doll become dolls, wish become wishes. So I think you know what is singular noun and plural noun. One thing is singular, more than one, that is plural. Now there are some rules of using changing singular nouns into plural nouns. Like many singular nouns are changed into their plural form by adding s, like kitten become kitten, sister become sister. Simple way to change a singular noun into plural noun is to add an s there. But when a singular noun is ending with s, sh, ch, ss or x, then we add es there. Like match become matches, bush become bushes, class become classes. So these particular ending letters s, sh, ch, double s, then x, these are, when we change into plural, we add es in there. Now if a singular noun that ends in o, we add either s or es to make the plural form. Like radio, radios, where we are adding only s. Tomato, tomatoes, we are adding es. For nouns that end in y, if a consonant comes before the y, we drop the y and add ies. If a vowel becomes before the y, we simply add s. Now if the word is ending with the letter y and before the letter y there is a consonant, then we convert the letter y into ies. But if the word is ending with the letter y and before y the letter is a vowel, the five vowels a, e, I, o, u, any letter is there, then we do not change the y into ies. Instead we simply add s there. Like lady, word is ending with y. Before y there is a consonant, that is d, so we are changing y into ies. It becomes ladies. Now toy is also ending with y, but before y there is a vowel, that is o, so we are not changing y into ies. Instead we are writing toys, toys. Now for nouns that end in f or fe, we usually drop f or fe and add ves. So if the word is ending with the letter f or fe, we change it into ves, like wife become wives, leaf become leaves. Some nouns change to their plural form in different ways. There are no fixed rules for this group of nouns, so they are called irregular plurals. Like child become children, mouse become mice, tooth become tit. So some they completely change. There are no certain rules of changing them. The word is completely changed. Like child become children, mouse mice, tooth teeth. Then we have another form, that is collective noun. A collective noun is a noun that names a group of people, animals or things. In a collective way, we take one group and give that group a name. So another group, we give a group a name. So the different names given to different groups of people, animals or things, that is called collective noun. For example, a band of musicians. When many musicians comes together, we say it a band of musicians. Similarly, a pride of lions, a troop of monkeys, a herd of cows. So when a particular group comes together, we give them a particular name, and that name in collective way, we give a name, and that is called collective noun. I hope you are clear with these kinds, that is common noun, proper noun, singular, plural noun, then the rules of changing singular noun into plural noun, and collective